Hi students, so just few days are left for the AILET exam, and what I am doing in these sessions, I will be coming up with 4 or 5 such sessions. What I will be doing is I will be solving the previous year analytical reasoning questions because the students are facing difficulty in this. They are asking me to explain them how to solve such questions. So what I have decided is I will make 4 or 5 sessions, maybe 2019 and 2020 AILET logical reasoning, analytical reasoning question. So today we are going to, in this video, we are going to solve the circular arrangement questions that appeared in the last year paper. So let us begin. This was the question. So if you want, you can just stop the video and try solving it if you have not done. What I will do is I will straight away move to the solution. So in any arrangement question, the important thing to understand is that before we start arranging the things, we need a starting point. What do we mean by starting point? A starting point is a point which is fixed in nature. So I can fix one thing and I can then move other things around that one fixed thing. So I need to find which is that one thing that I can fix. So what is given? Vidya, Umesh and Tanu are sitting around a circular table. Arun, Beena and Chetan are sitting around the same table, but two of them are not facing the center, right? So out of Arun, Beena and Chetan, two are not facing the center. So in total, there are 6 people. So when there are 6 people, draw the diagram and divide it into 6 equal parts. This is how you divide it into 6 equal parts. All right. So this is a circular table, divided it into 6 equal parts. That is the first thing. Now we know that Arun, Beena and Chetan, out of these 3, two are sitting facing outwards, not towards the center. Vidya is second to the left of Chetan, so I cannot do anything. What I can write is Vidya is second to the left of Chetan, provided Chetan and Vidya both are facing. I mean Chetan is facing towards the table, so I cannot infer anything from this. Umesh is second to the right of Arun. I cannot infer anything from this. Beena is third to the left of Tanu. Chetan is second to the right of Tanu. Arun and Chetan are not sitting together. Now, if I read, I don't understand anything. From where should I start? So I gave you a hint from where you should start. If there is some fixed thing, then you can do it easily. But here the problem is I don't know who are facing inside and who are facing outside. Right? I mean, inside means towards the center and outside means away from the center. So I don't know which two are facing inside or outside. So what I can do is I need to find sentences which are about one common person. So if I look, the first sentence is Vidya is second to the left of Chetan, and this is Chetan is second to the right of Tanu. So if you look at these two statements together, Vidya is second to the left of Chetan. So there must be one more person here, and Vidya and Chetan. So the left of Chetan is this place. This is 1, this is 2. I'm not right now, I'm not making them sit in this circle. I'm just explaining you the concept. If Vidya is second to the left of Chetan and both are facing inside and both are facing inside, then automatically Chetan is to the right of Vidya, isn't it? If you look at it, if both are facing inside, then Chetan is to the right of Vidya, and we anyways know that Vidya is facing inside, because 2 people out of A, B, C are facing outside. So Vidya is anyways facing inside. So if Chetan is to the second to the right of Vidya, then this statement doesn't hold good. So what it means is Chetan is definitely someone who is facing outside. So let me fix it here. This is the easiest point to start. Chetan is someone who is facing outside. And let me now fix Vidya. Vidya is second to the left of Chetan. So facing outside, left, second will be this. This will be the first to the left of Chetan. This will be the second to the left of Chetan. And Vidya, I know, is facing inside. So this part is done. Now, Chetan is second to the right of Tanu. So Tanu will come here. Second to the right means Tanu will come here. And Tanu is obviously facing inside, because I know Vidya, Umesh and Tanu, they are facing inside. So Chetan is facing outside. This much I have got. All right. Now, What else? Umesh is second to the right of Arun. I don't know where is Arun, but I will fix it. Beena is third to the left of Tanu. So Tanu is here, third to the left. Third to the left is Tanu's left is this side. So this is first left, this is second left, this is third left. This is Beena. This is Beena. I don't know where is Beena looking, inside or outside, but I have fixed the position. Okay. Arun and Chetan are not sitting together. So if Arun and Chetan are not sitting together, Arun cannot sit here. Arun is here. So again, I don't know where is Arun looking, inside and outside, but I definitely know the remaining person, Umesh is looking inside. Umesh is looking inside because Vidya, Umesh and Tanu, they are looking inside. Now this is all I have. So let me begin. Which of the following is not facing the center? Not facing the center has to be out of A, B, and C, and Chetan is definitely someone who is not facing the center. So there are two options with Chetan not facing the center, but B cannot be the answer. Why? Because it has to be among A, B, and C. So Beena is the answer. Now I know from this question, I know that Beena is facing outside. So sometimes what happens is, from the given information, we are not able to draw the diagram. But if I look at the question, now question tells me that Beena and Chetan are looking outside. So the question tells me now that Beena and Chetan are looking outside. So my job is now done. So Chetan is remaining is Arun. Arun is looking inside. So the question is now solved. I have got all the things fixed with me. I can now easily solve the question. So remember the approach. What I have done is I have looked for a commonality, and that commonality was Chetan. Right? There could have been other commonality also, but you need to pick one and make the diagram around it. Now, after finishing the diagram, I was not sure. That C is looking outside, I was sure, but out of A and B, who is looking outside, that I was not sure. I jumped to the question. Question told me that there was only one option with Chetan common. There was only one option, Beena and Chetan, because A, B, C, out of these three, only out of these three, two can look outside. So answer is option number C. Now my diagram is complete with the help of the question. And now you see. Now what I have done is, rather than drawing the diagram again, I will simply make the people sit. Arun looking inside. This was our diagram. V looking inside. B looking outside. C looking outside. U inside. And T inside. This is my diagram. Which of the following is the position of Tanu in respect of Beena? Tanu in respect of Beena, both are directly opposite. So third to the right, second to the right, third to the left. So answer has to be this. Beena third to the right, because both are opposite. So both ways we can see, third to the right and third to the left. Both ways we can see. Answer is option number D. See, this question you could have solved even if the table is not completed. Why? Because both are opposite. If both are opposite, then I count it from left or right, it will be equidistant. So even if your diagram was not complete, this question you could have solved. What is the position of Vidya in respect of Chetan? All right. So my diagram was A, V, B, C, U, and T. This was my diagram. Vidya's position with respect to Chetan and Beena are looking outside. So with respect to Chetan is looking outside. So second to the left, but second to the left is not given to me. What is given to me is fourth to the right. Either I count it from this side or this side, right? So from this particular side, it is second to the left. From the other side, it is fourth to the right. So answer is third one. Which of the following statement is correct? Arun, Beena, and Chetan are sitting together. So we can, again, if you want, you can draw the diagram, but now I'm sure that you know how to solve it. And D is straightforward. Those who are not facing center are sitting together. We know that. We have fixed C and B here, and both of them are looking outside. So guys, I hope you understood how to solve this question. And it looked difficult, but if you can understand the trick to solve the circular arrangement question or the linear arrangement question, your job becomes easy. I will come up with the more solutions in a short period of time. I will be posting it on here, right here in my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. Bye.